Sometimes it is not possible for us to solve linear differential equation of a first order with variable separable method and homogeneous method. In that case, we can also use method of exact differential equation. In this video, I will tell you what is exact differential equation, and if equation is exact, then how can we find solution of a differential equation. First of all, if I have some equation, some differential equation of the form mxy dx plus nxy dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of xy, then if I can find its solution, then its solution will contain variables x, y and an arbitrary constant which is constant of integration, say c. Then its solution is of the form some function of xy equal to c. Now for equation to be exact, our differential equation must be in this form mxy dx plus nxy dy equal to 0. Then that differential equation is exact if there is function uxy such that du equal to m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Its solution is uxy equal to c. So if there is a function uxy, this uxy is a solution of this differential equation. And if such function exists, and when we differentiate this function uxy equal to c, then I get original differential equation, that is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. This would be clear by some example. Now I will tell you how we will get to know whether the equation is exact or not. For this we will see theorem. This theorem says how can we say equation is given differential equation is exact. So the necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is to be exact is del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. This curly del is denoting we are differentiating m with respect to y, and here we are differentiating n with respect to x. That is, in m, if we have m, then it can contain terms x and y. But what we do for del m upon del y, we differentiate m with respect to y and take x as some constant. And we differentiate n with respect to x. Now, if del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x, then equation is exact. So, if equation is exact, since this is necessary and sufficient condition, so if equation is exact, then we must have this condition holds, del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x, and if this condition holds, then the given equation is exact. Now, how can we find solution of exact differential equation? If equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact, then its solution is integral m dx. M is given in original equation and we integrate m with respect to x plus integral. Now we integrate here with respect to y of terms of n not containing x. If n has only a term which contains x, then this integral would be 0, because we need integral of terms of n not containing x. So here we must have only y terms, then we differentiate with respect to y. This is equal to c. Now we see some examples of exact differential equation to get more idea of exact differential equations. Question: solve y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. This equation is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0, where m is this y square and n is 2xy. Now we see whether equation is exact or not. If this equation is exact, then we will find its solution by that method. If it is not exact, then we can use a homogeneous method or variable separable method if they are applicable. Now, on comparing this equation with mdx plus ndy equal to 0, what we get? M is y square and n is 2xy. Now, what we do? For check exactness of equation, we differentiate m with respect to y and keeping x as a constant. So, we differentiate m with respect to y, this is 2y, and we differentiate n with respect to x. Then this is 2y again. If we differentiate n with respect to x, then this is 2y and we will take x as a constant. So, if we differentiate with respect to x, then that would be 0. So, here del m upon del y is same as del n upon del x. Therefore, the given equation is exact. Hence, the given differential equation is exact. Therefore, solution of given equation is given by integral m dx plus integral terms of n not containing x dy equal to c. Now, that is integral m is y square, here m is y square dx plus integral of terms of n not containing x, but we have in n we have only one term 2xy which contains x, so we will not take that term, so we have no term, so it is 0 into dy equal to c. Now we integrate with respect to x here, so y square as it is and x would come, so this is xy square equal to c and this integral is 0. So this is solution of our given differential equation. Now here note, this solution is of the form uxy equal to c, xy square equal to c, so our uxy is x into y square. Now what I said, if equation is exact, then there exists a function uxy such that du equal to mdx plus ndy equal to 0. So we have function uxy equal to c. Now we see whether we have du equal to mdx plus ndy equal to 0 or not. Now we differentiate this u, du equal to differentiation of u, that is xy square, which is equals to, if we differentiate with respect to x, then dx would come and y square as it is, and if we differentiate with respect to y, then 2xy and dy will as it is, and differentiation of constant is 0. So this is of the form what? Mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Hence the given differential was exact. Our answer is correct. Now we move to another question of exact differential equation. Question: solve x cube plus 3xy square dx plus 3x square y plus y cube dy equal to 0. We want to solve this differential equation with the exact differential equation method. First, see whether the equation is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Yes, the equation in that form, mdx plus ndy equal to 0, where m is this x cube plus 3xy square and n is 3x square y plus y cube. Now we see whether the equation is exact or not. Therefore, equation to be exact, we must have del m upon del y must be equal to del n upon del x. So, m is this one. We differentiate m with respect to y. If we differentiate x cube with respect to y, then that is 0 because we are differentiating with respect to y. So we will take x as constant. So differentiation of x cube is 0. Now we differentiate here with respect to y. If we differentiate this x with respect to y, then 0 because x is constant. If we differentiating with respect to y, then I am left with 6xy, and del n upon del x, we differentiate n with respect to x. If I differentiate here with respect to x, then that is 0 because we are differentiating with respect to x keeping y as constant. And if we differentiate here with respect to this is 3x square y with respect to x, then this is 6xy. So we see that del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. Hence given differential equation is exact. Now if equation is exact, then the solution of given equation is given by integral m dx plus integral terms of n not containing x dy equal to c. M was x cube plus 3xy square. So integral x cube plus 3xy square dx plus integral terms of n not containing x. And n is 3x square y plus y cube. Here we have only one term y cube which has no x. So integral y cube dy equal to c. Now we integrate, that is x power 4 by 4 plus we are integrating with respect to x. So y will be constant. So 3x square y square by 2 plus y cube dy. Integral is y raised to the power 4 by 4 equal to c. Now we take LCM. So this is x raised to the power 4 plus 6x square y square plus y raised to the power 4 equal to c dash, where c dash is constant for c. This similar question was done with the homogeneous method and we get the same answer, x raised to the power 4 plus 6x square y square plus y raised to the power 4 equal to c dash, differing only by a constant. Now by definition of exact differential equation, we must have there exists some function uxy equal to c. We are getting function, this function equal to c dash or some constant c. So here uxy is x raised to the power 4 plus 6x square y square plus y raised to the power 4. Now if we differentiate that function u, then we get the original equation, that is du that is if we differentiate d, take differentiation of u. Differentiation of u, that is x raised to the power 4 plus 6x square y square plus y raised to the power 4 equal to differentiation of c dash, that is if we differentiate with this equation. Here we differentiate with respect to x. So 4x cube plus here we have x and y both. So we will use product rule for differentiation. So this is if we differentiate with respect to x, then this is 12x y square and dx will come outside, plus if we differentiate this one with respect to y, then 12x square y and dy will come, plus we differentiate this with respect to y, so this is 4y cube dy equal to 0. Observe that if I take 4 outside, then this is x cube plus 3xy square dx plus 3x square y plus y cube dy equal to 0. Observe that this is m and this is n. That is it, we get the original equation. This is just for knowledge. We get our general solution here. In exam, you only need to do answer till the general solution, that is still here. This is just for knowledge. Now we see another question of exact differential equation. Solve the differential equation dy by dx minus y cos x plus sin y plus y divided by sin x plus x cos y plus x equal to 0. We want to solve this differential equation with the exact differential equation method. We will first see whether the equation is exact or not. But first observe that equation is not of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So we will make that form of the equation. So given equation can be written as with dx I have y cos x plus sin y plus y. So y cos x plus sin y plus y dx minus sin into sin x plus x cos y plus x dy equal to 0. This equation is of the form m dx minus n dy equal to 0. So for m dx plus n dy equal to 0, we will take this minus within the brackets, that is minus, we will take n as minus sin x minus x cos y minus x. So on comparing this differential equation with the original m dx plus n dy equal to 0, this form we get m is y cos x plus sin y plus y and nxy is minus sin x minus x cos y minus x. Now we will check exactness of differential equation. For that we will see whether del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x or not. Now we differentiate m with respect to y. If I differentiate m with respect to y, in y cos x, if we differentiate y with respect to y, then I am left with cos x, and if I differentiate cos x with respect to y, then I will get 0 because x is constant if we are differentiating with respect to y. Differentiation of sin y is cos y and differentiation of y is 1. Now if we differentiate n with respect to x. So this is minus cos x please make correction, here we have a plus sign everywhere, plus, so this is plus. Now we differentiate n with respect to x, then I will get cos x, plus if we differentiate x, then I will get cos y as it is, and if we differentiate cos y with respect to x, then I will get 0, and we differentiate with respect to x with respect to x, then I will get 1. So here we note that del m upon del y is same as del n upon del x. Thus the given differential equation is exact. Now if the solution is exact, if the differential equation is exact, then its solution is given by integral m dx plus integral of terms of n not containing x into dy equal to c. That is integral of m is y cos x plus sin y plus y dx plus integral terms of n not containing x. Our n is sin x plus x cos y plus x. Every term contains x. So here 0 dy. This is equal to c because we need terms of n not containing x, but every term contains x. So we cannot take those terms. Now we integrate, that is integrate with respect to x keeping y as a constant. So this is y sin x plus x sin y plus xy equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant of integration. This is general solution of given differential equation. Now we see last question of this video. Question: solve y square e raised to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e raised to the power xy square minus 3y square dy equal to 0. We want to solve this differential equation with the exact differential equation method. First, note that this equation is not separable, so we cannot solve this equation with variable separable method. Also, equation is not homogeneous because we have here power y square and here x cube, so power are not homogeneous or powers are not same. Therefore, we cannot solve this equation with the homogeneous. Now we see whether we can solve this equation with the exact differential equation method or not. First of all, we see whether the equation is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Yes, the equation is in the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Now, on comparing this differential equation with mdx plus ndy equal to 0, we get mxy is what? This y square e raised to the power xy square plus 4x cube. And nxy is 2xy e raised to the power xy square minus 3y square. Now we see whether the equation is exact or not. For equation to be exact, what I need? Del m upon del y must be equal to del n upon del x. Now, for del m upon del y, we differentiate m with respect to y, keeping x as a constant. So, this is equals to, now we differentiate m with respect to y. So, we have y square e raised to the power xy square. We will apply here product rule for differentiation. First, we differentiate y square with respect to y, then this is 2y e raised to the power xy square as it is, that is this term, plus now we differentiate e raised to the power xy square with respect to y. Now if we differentiate e raised to the power xy square with respect to y, then what happen? X will come down the powers and we will differentiate y square. So we get 2xy e raised to the power xy square and y square as it is. So I will get 2xy cube e raised to the power xy square. Now if we differentiate this term with respect to x, with respect to y, then that will be 0 because here we have no y term and we are treating x as a constant. Now we will check del n upon del x. Now we differentiate n with respect to x. Here we also apply product rule. Now if we differentiate with respect to, if we differentiate this x with respect to x, then I'll get 2y e raised to the power xy square, that is this, plus now if we differentiate y with respect to x, then I'll get 0 because y is constant if we are differentiating with respect to x. Now we differentiate e raised to the power xy square, so we will take 2xy as it is and we differentiate with respect to x. If we differentiate with respect to x, y square will come down the powers and we differentiate with respect to x. So this become 2xy cube e raised to the power xy square. Note that del m upon del y is same as del n upon del x. Hence, given differential equation is exact. Thus, solution to given differential equation is given by integral m dx plus integral terms of n not containing x dy equal to c. That is, integral m was y square e raised to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus integral terms of n not containing x. So, our n was 2xy e raised to the power xy square minus 3y square. We have only one term in n which does not contain x, that is minus 3y square. So we will write that term here into dy equal to c. Now we integrate with respect to, here with respect to x and here with respect to y. Now if we integrate, okay, we have y square is constant because we are integrating with respect to x, so write y square as it is and we integrate e raised to the power xy square. Then if we integrate e raised to the power xy square with respect to x, y square will be in reciprocal. So this is y square upon y square e raised to the power xy square plus x raised to the power 4 by 4 minus 3y cube by 3 equal to c. Or on simplifying, I get e raised to the power xy square plus x raised to the power 4 minus y cube equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant of integration. So this is general solution of our given differential equation. This method, integral m dx plus integral terms of n not containing x dy equal to c, cannot be applied if equation is not exact. This is applicable only when equation is exact. Now do this question yourself. Solve the differential equation 2x cube plus 3y square x minus 7x dx plus 3x square y plus 2y cube minus 8y dy equal to 0. First, check if you want to solve this equation with exact differential equation. First, check whether this equation in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Now then check whether the equation is exact. That is, you need to check del m upon del y equal to del n upon del x. Now if equation will become exact, then you can apply the method integral m dx plus integral terms of n not containing x dy equal to c, and you will get the answer. And answer is this: x raised to the power 4 by 2 plus 3 by 2 y square x square minus 7 by 2 x square plus y raised to the power 4 by 2 minus 4 y square equal to c.